We have an order to demolish your home. You have 15 minutes to get all your things and leave. Whatever you don't bring with you will be demolished.
What do you want from us? You don't give me a permit to build this house? I said you said for the legal.
We don't do that for this house. Oh, sorry.
Don't do that to him! Don't do that to him! Stop! Stop!
Get your stuff! We'll destroy your
No!
house! We'll destroy
No!
everything!
No, let go of me!
We'll destroy everything!
No, stop! Shh!
No place for resistance here!
I am Leila Tamimi, and this is Beit Hanina, a neighborhood in Jerusalem. And it is my home. For 10 years, I have been trying to get a building permit from the Israeli authorities. But of course, Palestinians don't have the same building rights as Jews. When my daughter got married, I wanted to build an extra floor for her and her husband. But I couldn't get a building permit. I was forced to build illegally. And now, the Israeli army has come to demolish my home. They can come whenever they want, without any warning. And now, my whole family is left on the street. But what you must know is that this isn't possible without US tax dollar funding and Columbia University investment. It is the money that you give to this school and to this country that funds special Caterpillar bulldozers for Israel to demolish Palestinian homes. Since 1967, 27,000 Palestinian homes have been demolished.
Thanks to this U.S. tax dollar, this Caterpillar bulldozer is funded. And thanks to this Columbia investment, this Caterpillar bulldozer can demolish these homes.
This is only a representation of what goes on daily in the occupied territories and in what is today Israel to Palestinian homes. Thank you for watching our House Demolition Act.